Air-fried eggplant parmesan with F& Sharp. The F& Sharp Santoku knife is almost a perfect grab for any vegetable task in your kitchen. After slicing off both ends of the eggplant, simply slice into 1/4-inch rounds. Alternatively, you can also stand up the eggplant and cut straight down into 1/4-inch strips. But if you feel more comfortable, you can lay the eggplant down on its side and slice that way as well. Taking those rounds and making just a short stack, I'm just making about 1/2-inch cuts one way, turning it 180 degrees and cutting perpendicular the other way to make a nice dice with the eggplant. Make sure to salt on both sides, let that hang out for 20 minutes, shred up some mozzarella cheese. Don't buy that pre-shredded stuff. To cut some basil, I'm simply laying down the leaves on top of each other, then rolling it up like a little cigar, and then we're going to cut against that, not lengthwise. And once you're done, you have a nice chiffonade of basil, and that's going to be a nice garnish. Into the air fryer, spray it down, spray side down with a little cooking spray, and then go in the air fryer for about 8 minutes. Turn them, check them. When they're done, layer them up with some of your favorite sauce, the cheese, the basil, fresh grated Parmesan. You're ready to enjoy. Visit fnsharp.com.